Welcome back to our channel.
And welcome back to episode 5 of She Is Always.
Right, but she's not right. This is episode 6.
Oh yeah, the last episode.
In two parts. Well, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with new episode, new yapping session. And in this episode, we're going to talk about something which we have to thank Gen Z for. क्योंकि उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस ने लाए हैं लेबलिंग कल्चर और लेबलिंग कल्चर ने लाया है रेड फ्लैग्स एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग्स, इंसानों को दो जुट में बांटने का तरीका.
Yeah.
And Sakshi has clearly dressed as a
Green forest.
full green forest. मतलब साक्षी मेटाफोरिकली प्रैक्टिकली किसी भी तरीके से आज आपको दिखाना चाहती है कि वो ग्रीन
Flags.
है,
Flags.
ग्रीन फ्लैग्स हैं.
Yeah.
और तो शुरू करें.
Yes. Let's start.
हाँ, कहाँ से शुरू करना है?
Maybe let's start from what kind of red flags you feel.
And what kind of red flags and green flags I feel?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. That's a very important topic that we should just check off the
Yeah.
bucket first. अब green flag and red flags का ऐसा है ना, एक तो पहली बात ये 5-10 साल पहले एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं था. मेरे हिसाब से तो 5-10 साल पहले जब से जेन ज़ी आए तब से बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी एग्जिस्ट करने लगी हैं जो पहले एग्जिस्ट करती नहीं थी. हमें पता ही नहीं था कि क्या गलत होता है क्या सही. अब तो जीना सीखा है हमें जेन ज़ी ने कि कैसे लेबल करते हैं और सेग्रीगेट
But
करते
then
हैं.
what were the concepts of red flag and green flag back then? What
कहाँ
was the
concept?
terms? What were the terms that we were using?
करते ही कहाँ थे, बस ये था कि नहीं वो तो पागल ही है. नहीं ये सही है, वो पागल आदमी है, वो बिल्कुल साइको आदमी है.
Toxic was the term.
Toxic was the term.
Toxicity was the term.
Yeah. I think the number one red flag for me would be someone who manhandles me.
So manhandles.
Yes.
What does that mean?
New term, right? Lot of new
Manhandles I
terms.
know, but like how's someone manhandling you?
Exactly. So there's a very thin line. मेरे हिसाब से ना पहले मुझे नहीं पता होता था इसके बारे में. And I think I was always, मुझे हमेशा it used to bother me, but never I could find a right word to describe what it is and what is exactly bothering me. So this is since college time that I've experienced. Manhandle is basically a man who is strong, who's confident, who takes the charge, but who overly takes the charge. मतलब he would decide everything for you. Like where are you walking? He'll move you around. So the person who governs every move of mine, और मेरे बोलने से पहले मेरे बिहाफ पे कुछ बोल दे या मेरे डिसाइड करने से पहले मेरे बिहाफ पे कुछ डिसाइड कर लेना, दिस अगेन अ वेरी थिन लाइन. या तो ये ग्रीन भी हो सकता है कि ओ somebody is deciding for you, somebody knows you so much कि वो तुम्हारे लिए decisions ले रहे हैं. But in a situation where I'm not like, I don't let that person have that space कि मैं नहीं देना चाहती, वो हाँ करो फिर भी ले रहा है. Somebody who is overconfident of themselves and they think कि they know how to handle me is manhandling and I don't like. So, and very good example of this is recently I went for a shoot जहाँ पे this man was literally, मतलब अगर हम एक scene पढ़ रहे हैं and we are trying to understand the scene, मेरे बोलने या मेरे कैरेक्टर या मेरा कैरेक्टर क्या सोचेगा वो समझने से पहले वो बता देता था, oh I think your character will feel like this. Let me be the judge of it ना. Let's not put word in my mouth, है ना. एक होता है कि हाँ confidently किसी को suggest करना या उनको गाइड करना, और एक होता है fully handle करना कि she doesn't know, I will make her understand.
Yeah.
So maybe
makes
that
me feel
is
stupid.
Yes, makes me feel stupid, makes me feel like, oh I'm just there to sit and be like a object and not a human who can think, speak and talk
So
and
it's
take
the
a decision.
objectifying that you
Yeah.
feel that is not right. And that,
Somewhere making me feel like I'm a kid and they are the adult in the
because
relationship.
when
and
you started this, I'm like, yeah, well, I don't mind someone taking decisions for me. But when it goes like to extreme, that
I
would
told
be
you
like,
there's a very thin line.
Right,
तो मुझे
yeah.
पहले समझ में नहीं आता था, but now I've started to understand the thin blurring lines.
Yeah.
कि, oh, now this much is okay. This is
so
a
the
green.
thin line would be that, oh, my brains are somewhere else when I'm going on a date. He's planning
Yeah,
a date.
let him plan
or
it.
he's planning a trip. Or
Yeah.
just, taking care of what we are going to eat and all
Yes.
that. Yeah, that
But
would be
to not take my opinion and at all into consideration and to not even ask me, like पहली courtesy तो ये होती है ना, if you're both going on a trip, say हम दोनों ही कल trip पे चले जाएं, I telling you that, what do you want? Do you want to go outdoors? Do you want to keep it indoors? And you tell me outdoors. And then I say, okay, I have a plan. Can we do this? and if you like it, then it is something that you really enjoy. Okay, wow, he took the initiative and he or she took the initiative and she planned it. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
But to tell you in the morning, हाँ हम इतने बजे यहाँ जा रहे हैं, इतने बजे ये करेंगे, इतने बजे ये करेंगे, इतने बजे ये करेंगे, where is my consideration in that entire thing? So that way manhandling. Or if I'm in a room or we are walking somewhere, to put like small hand on my small back and then take me through the entire pathway is like manhandling, which I hate. Which I hate. Like, I know how to walk. Don't like constantly keep pushing me.
Someone who will come on this side of the road and then walks with you might be a green flag.
That's a
But
green
then
flag.
that's a
Somebody
green flag.
literally moving you with their hand
And
is a red flag.
Oh,
So
so you
manhandling.
see?
Yeah.
Very thin line.
Very thin
between
lines,
that.
I feel.
Okay.
So that's my first big red flag.
Yeah, because I was thinking when you were saying that, oh, it's a red flag, and I'm in my head, I'm thinking, but I kind of like it as a green flag. What do you mean?
So वही है ना, the degree of it.
but not too much like कि तुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है, मैं बताऊंगा. You don't know anything. That is red flag.
Yeah, a big red flag.
Yeah, but taking charge where it's
needed.
Great, do it.
Please go ahead, do it.
Yeah.
So what's your red flag?
Inconsistency is
Oh.
my biggest red flag.
Yes.
And I've seen patterns in men when they try to woo you, when they are really like liking you, try to impress you and trying to date you. The first month would be like, oh my God, they would do everything for you.
Yeah.
They would call you on time, they would come pick you up, they would gather like all these special surprises, you know, going above and beyond. And once you get the girl, then it's just like, हाँ अभी ये मिल गई है तो
ठीक है, अब कोई efforts नहीं.
अब कोई efforts नहीं. So I don't like that. So just don't show me that beautiful part first, and then rest of my life I'm just navigating ki, oh my God, where is this person I actually fell for in the initial first 2 months when he was trying to get me or when he's trying to woo
Impress me, yeah.
And then because what it does it keeps you in a loop then, because you fell for this.
Expectation वाली loop.
Yeah, because you fell for this person in the first 2 months of this time when he was his bestest version and trying to give you everything, the best life, the best surprises, the best emotional presence, everything. And then once you get her, the consistency is just like this. And what happens to girls in this case is many of them fall for the version of what he showed in the first 2-3 months.
Yeah.
And then they always hope कि कभी ना कभी तो वापस वैसा होगा ही. And then it keeps degrading and degrading and degrading. Versus with women, I've seen it's different. Women don't take that much effort in the beginning, but once they start falling in love, then it's just an uphill from them. For
Consistent
the man.
effort.
For the man, it's just an uphill, because then she will be like, नहीं मैं ये भी कर दूंगी, वो भी कर दूंगी. Because women are थोड़ा reserved पहले.
Yes.
And then they will be like, नहीं, let's see, let's get to know him.
I think yes, I completely and absolutely agree to this. कि either आप जैसे हो वैसे दिखाओ, so that I have real expectations of who you are. मुझे लगता है आदमी ना in the first go to impress a girl, they will do everything possible, and then suddenly drops when they get the girl, right? So वो ऐसा हो जाता है, वो बच्चा नहीं है जिसे आप expect करते हो हर एग्जाम में 100 आएंगे, मतलब topper of the class, and suddenly they start failing or are on the verge of like failing 35-36, then you're in shock and frustration. सबको frustration हो रही होती है, teachers को, classmates को, कि इसके कैसे आगे 35. I think that's the same thing in relationship.
That is true. And
it frustrates you.
It frustrates you, and I don't mind. Like, I know there is a difference. Obviously, first 2-3 months of dating is all butterflies. You also want to do so much for him. You also want to do so much for you. But then when it falls, and when it falls bad, it takes a mental toll on you that, oh my God, like, why did he show me these two different versions? What am I supposed to trust in this dude? You know, like, where is this going, this whole entire scenario? So it's, and then it is hard to also get out of that loop because hope is always there.
Yeah. So it's basically don't go from 1 to 100. Be like at 80-90. Then you can, if you increase or gradually भी जब नीचे आ रहे हो तो धीरे-धीरे नीचे आओ ना, एकदम crash क्यों कर जा रहे हो gold की prices की तरह.
Exactly. But like, I'm not even saying कि मतलब इतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए. First 2-3 months should be special, and of course. Yeah. But I don't like the huge difference. And you know, when I talk to couples now, because I have like my world of romance, and then when I talk to you or our friends who are dating, and then one time I remember we were all in a coffee house and I'm like, oh my god, so cute, you guys can do this, that, and then one of our girlfriend was like, Sakshi, please, ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है, ये सब relationship के start में होता है, and I'm asking her also, same, I'm like, पर ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसे तो नहीं होना चाहिए, but I know that difference is
But
also
that's the
there.
reality.
Once you get comfortable, it's also
Yeah.
nice, but that still should be there somewhere.
That's true, but I think it is reality. But eventually, you know, in the start you want to do everything and you want to show your best
Yeah,
face possible
yeah.
and best everything possible. But with time when you get comfortable, वो siblings वाला relationship हो जाता है जहाँ बिल्कुल comfortable हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. फिर क्या impress करना और क्या छुपाना और क्या दिखाना types वाली situation आ जाती है. But I agree with you that एक होता है steady, you know, steadiness in relationship, that it is how it is. एक होता है to show everything on the face first and then just to turn like blank.
Yeah,
That is
true.
frustrating.
And for women, I feel it is very important to show consistency to your
Yeah.
women every time, because they don't like these patterns of
Patterns,
inconsistency. And then if there's a huge fight, then you'll come again, show your good versions, and then because women are like, हाँ ठीक है कोई नहीं, but
Yeah.
हाँ तो मैं माफ कर देती हूँ.
Yeah.
Then again it's the same thing. So don't do that. Be consistent with what you were, or don't show who you are not. Don't try to be someone who you are not,
Yeah.
and don't try to put in that efforts which you would never do. Then it's just like fooling a girl. Now तुमने लपेटे
Yeah.
में ले लिया लड़की को, and now बस.
लपेटे.
And then now the girl is like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? And especially when you are about 28 and if someone does that to you, then तो 28 के बाद तो ऐसा नहीं है कि चलती फिरती ट्रेन में अलग अलग लड़का आ रहा है. It's like एक ही फ्लाइट है, उड़ना है.
उसी में टेक ऑफ लैंड सब उसी में होना है.
Then it gets much more harder after 28 to navigate. I'm like, अरे यार.
हाँ. और एक तो रेड फ्लैग ग्रीन फ्लैग समझते समझते 28 के हो जाते हैं. तब तक तो कोई आइडिया ही नहीं
What is
होता
red
कि क्या
flag
रेड
and
और
green
क्या
flag?
ग्रीन है. That is true. That's
Yeah.
absolutely true.
What would be the next red flag you think?
I have
So what first red flag, guys, was
that I hate manhandling.
hate manhandling. He shouldn't make you feel
Big word, no?
stupid.
Hate manhandling.
Hate is a strong word, but she hates it. And then second one for us was inconsistency.
Yeah.
And you shouldn't, like, never
Don't.
show who you are.
Yeah,
And
be yourself and just be that throughout.
third thing, it's like an exam कि हम सिखा रहे हैं तुम लोगों को
Notes.
कैसे कैसे red flag.
Nice, sit with your notebooks and pens and note them
girls
down.
and boys both.
Yeah.
So you can learn. So number 3.
So number 3 would be for me somebody I don't know if ये सबके लिए होगा नहीं होगा, because it's not a very generic thing, but I keep on noticing this and it's a very important thing for me personally. I see how people introduce me. ठीक है, and मेरा first red flag and green flag, like first understanding level of that human comes from there. कि how is that person introducing me to the third person? So,
Yeah.
be it in relationship, be it what I expect from my partner or from my friends. If you are introducing me to a new person and you take your own sweet time, like if हम दोनों कहीं बैठे and a third person enters and you know that person and I'm new one, I will see how much time you take to introduce me. Like how much time do you take to introduce me into that conversation, and how do you introduce? Are you confident about introducing me, or are you like hesitant about introducing me, or are you just like in hurry of introducing and then just, you know, that tells a lot. If you're ashamed to be with me, or you're confident, or do you enjoy my company? I think these are very subtle hints जो आप pick कर सकते हो and
Very
understand
true.
that
And very
person
important one,
Yeah.
which no one notices, but
Yeah.
that's such a big red flag.
I've also started noticing it very recently, because there was some certain group of friends of mine, like some friends of mine जो मुझे introduce करते हुए they're just like so happy to introduce.
Yeah.
You know, this is the person I am, you know, I'm friends with, or this is my best friend, or she's my, you know, girlfriend, my partner, my fiance, whatever. So when you are happy about it, then you know that this person really, really likes you, and you know they are sort of एक वो sense आ जाता है, they brag about you in certain ways when they're introducing.
Yeah.
And when they're like, hi, yeah, this is my best friend, and they move on with the conversation, I feel like, oh, that means you don't enjoy my company so much and you're just pretending. Because otherwise, why won't you let other person know that this is the kind of people I surround myself with? So
Yeah.
introduction is a very
Can
big,
be in friendships and in relationships.
every relationship, I think.
Yeah, that is so
Parents
true.
also, have you never seen like एक पेरेंट्स जिनके 2 बच्चे हो, एक जो बहुत ही accomplished हो and बहुत ही स्मार्ट, और एक
then you
बच्चा
would be like, this is my elder kid. इसने ये
उसके-
किया, ये किया, और ये हमारा छोटा बच्चा.
हाँ, see there, तुम्हें समझ में आ जाता है कि किस बच्चे से माँ बाप ज्यादा प्यार करते
Yeah,
हैं,
yeah, and
क्योंकि
this
एक
is
के वो
what we
फूल,
have to
एक के वो फूलों की माला बांध रहे होते हैं और दूसरे को हाँ ये बस चल रहा है, कर रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है लाइफ में, तो आपको समझ में आ जाता है. I feel introduction is
There
like,
is introduction wala scene is so very important.
Yeah, kind of.
Related to this, I've also heard a statement. I don't know. I've read this beautiful line where it says that, for example, whenever I introduce you, and like all the people now who are close to me, I'm so proud that they are associated with me. So it would be like if I introduce you to someone, and the biggest compliment that I can give you is like, you're such a good representation of who I am.
yeah.
Like, I would be proud to take you
Yes.
everywhere. You know, I would be proud to take you even on my corporate events. I would be
Yes.
proud to take you on my family functions. I'd be proud to take you to meet my new
Anywhere.
friends. And
Yeah.
I would be like so pumped up to actually tell people that, oh, this is my best friend. Or
Because that is a reflection of who you are also.
who
as a
I am,
person.
who I have like a close knit circle
Yeah.
of like what kind of people I'm attracting. But I would be also very much pumped up if I'm really proud of you and associated with you, that this is my girlfriend, you know who
Right.
she is. I
Yeah.
always do it. There was an incident in bank, okay.
Oh, she has embarrassed me, and how?
But I think if I was Mansi, I would be so proud. I would be so proud to be like, yes, I am that person. So, Mansi in my life, so she is very like as a underdressed, very simple. Hamesha bahar, whenever we go, you're very underdressed, simple, easygoing, and all
Yeah.
that. So I went to the bank one day and I had some issues, so I took her with me just because I was getting bored. I needed company.
Girl adulting.
Well,
Girl adulting
Yeah, I
support.
wanted to do some forex thing because I was going out of country for work. And then this manager in the bank is like, ये मैडम को कहीं तो देखा है. I'm like, पठान देखी है? हाँ. एनिमल देखी है? बॉबी देओल की जो वाइफ होती है, यही तो है वो.
And then suddenly,
हाँ, देखा. And Mansi is like phone में, hello.
thank you, thank you. And then suddenly वो एक मैनेजर से 3 लोग एक डेस्क पे हो
Yes,
गए.
they're like, अरे एनिमल वाली एक्टर, एनिमल वाली एक्टर.
साक्षी हर जगह इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती है मुझे, but that's a very
even
sweet
like
thing.
my bhaiya and didi, okay, I have a cook and cleaner. So once they got to know, oh, she is my friend, and they are like, oh, दीदी के साथ फोटो. I'm like, अरे फोटो वीडियो सब कुछ ले लो, और क्या कर लेना है दीदी के साथ बताओ. And then when she comes home, my bhaiya, in general, he's also a very good cook, so he tries to feed me the bestest, most delicious cuisines. But when she comes, it's like, दीदी क्या
दावत.
फ्रूट्स भी तो लगेंगे, चाय भी तो लगेगी, नॉर्मल खाना भी तो लगेगा. I'm like, yeah, that's my friend. So as you see, I'm wearing green, and I'm also a green forest in friendships now, not back then.
She has said, I should have wearing red.
No, you're fine.
No, but
you
yeah.
like that.
But Sakshi like that, she is always like the best cheerleader for her people.
And when I came back from Canada, like now I've become like that. I actually mean it. People don't believe that I am mean it. हाँ, चल कुछ भी क्या बोलती है. They get embarrassed when I say, I'm like, oh my god. So
now it is much more like little polished, but you used to always do it in college. Also, you used to
I was
always
a
hype up.
girl.
Hamisha she used
And
to
I
hype up her
actually
friends.
think like that, and people are surprised that I actually think like that. Most
Yeah.
of them doubt me कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं सोचती होगी, but
ये प्रॉब्लम तेरे नहीं है. आज के जमाने में अच्छाई सबको पचती
ये
नहीं.
प्रॉब्लम इंडिया की है, because in India it's hard for people to receive compliments. It is a known fact.
That is
Indians
also
and
true.
Asians,
They don't take compliments.
they
well.
don't take compliments. Like even if like it got me some time to get used to it also. I'm like, yeah. And then I'm like, no, just take it. Be confident. Take your compliments.
But यार जब जिंदगी भर जूते चप्पल बेलन खाए हो तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना थोड़ा सा ना मतलब
पेरेंट्स भी तू तो ऐसी है, तू तो वैसी है.
जिंदगी भर तो गालियां खाई है, जिंदगी भर तो बुराइयां सुनी है अपनी. अब अचानक से कोई बोले कि ओ यू आर सो गुड, तो खुद में अंदर से डाउट आता है, हैं ये मैं.
ये
So I think that is the problem.
True.
The parenting is the surrounding is such that you're always competing and you're not, compliments are such a rare thing जो
Yeah.
Canada में नहीं होता है. Western countries so they give out compliments like this.
And they actually mean it too. That is
That's
the fun
true.
fact. And when I came back from Canada, I was so much like a Canadian.
Energy,
Speaking में Canadian energy. I'm like, oh my God, so nice to see you again. And this one friend just started laughing. But anyways, we are deviating from the topic. I think it's a very good point of being a red flag or green flag.
Yeah.
Because if my partner introduces me as like, I can see how proud he is to introduce me in his eyes,
Yeah.
versus if he is not proud, then I'll be like, there's proudness सिर्फ एक कमरे तक ही सीमित होती है when we both are around. And I have faced things like that also.
Yeah. All of us, I think. Even I have.
Yeah.
So what's another red flag for you that you absolutely do not tolerate?
When I feel disrespected in arguments. Arguments are very healthy to have, but when I feel like he's talking bad about my character, he's actually disrespecting me, my family, or anything associated with me, my work life, or the morals that I have, you
Yeah.
know. If I feel arguments are very healthy if communicated well, and of course they can get heated, overheated. Sometimes arguments can be like
Neutral.
neutral tone pe.
Yeah.
But it is very important for you to feel respected in all the arguments you have.
Yeah.
And that is also a very thin line.
Yeah.
And you need to understand where respect comes versus where disrespect comes in an argument.
Yes. And I feel that's also a very big parameter to judge a relationship, because I feel somebody asked me once, "Ke, how do you know that this person is the one? Like, this is the one that you want to spend your life with." And I feel the number one parameter for me in a relationship is also if देखो झगड़े होने that is that cannot be eliminated. If two people are living together, they will have arguments, they will have different opinions on different things and different perspective. But what is important is when you are having that argument or when you're communicating your own opinions, is that person saying things to personally attack you, or is that person just saying things to in that opinion or argument, like how they're trying to convey it. If they're going under argument के पीछे छुप के if they're trying to attack you or poke your insecurities or poke you, then it's not a relationship that you should be in. Argument should happen and it can be heated as it can get. But still, if you're keeping that respect for each other and you're still focusing more on the opinions and how to resolve it, rather than attacking,
to solve what is going on rather than attacking
the other person or purposely saying mean things that will hurt the other person. Then
and sometimes the other person doesn't even realize it because they don't trust that their intention would be actually to hurt them. It's a very good point actually, and it's also like you are vulnerable and you have shared all these things with this person. And when the fights are overheated, and then he will bring all those points to use it against you. And I think this is exactly what you're talking about. And that's a huge red flag.
That's a huge
And then
red
what
flag.
it will do is it will break your trust to in future also share things with him, because
then you never know when he'll use it
against you. And that's how the relationship will fall apart, because then there will be no connection.
Then there's nothing in the relationship. किसके बुनियाद पे चलेगा?
Respect is very, very important for a man and a woman.
I'm a firm believer that love will come and go. There will be highs and lows of love. There will be phases where you're so much, in love with the person, and there are going to be time when you just want your space and you might feel a little, away from that person. But what should not go in a relationship is respect, because respect is deal breaker. If that goes for each other, then there's nothing that you're
I feel respect is about love for me.
Yeah. 100% for everything.
Yeah.
And I think it's in all relationships.
Especially for women. More than men, I feel respect is more integral to their life.
Yeah, because they take everything to heart, na? Like we discussed in the last episode. औरतें सब कुछ दिल पे लेती हैं, आदमी logically सोचते हैं.
Respect is a big part of having the love connection too. Like if I feel respected, I'll feel more loved, and I would want to give more love to my partner if he's making me feel respected and seen and all
100%.
that. Wow, look at us bringing the right red flags in front of you. So which one would be the next one for you?
No, this I feel is a very funny one.
Okay.
And again, I don't know how many people will relate to it or not, but I strongly relate to it. I hate people when they wake up the other person from sleep. Like, I feel there are two kind of people
What?
There are two kind of people in society.
What?
Sundo, let me complete. I know this might sound stupid, but it is very important.
Because she loves sleeping. She has created this into a red flag.
So aren't we talking about our own red flags and green
Okay.
flags? So for me, sleep is so important. And I feel society is divided in two groups of people.
Okay.
Sleep supportive people and non-sleep supportive people. So if I'm sleeping and if some person who I love and I'm surrounded with, be it my partner, be it my parents, be it my friends, be it anyone, if they wake me up before I want to wake up, I hate them. You know, it's very important, and especially in a relationship, because
Okay, could be.
imagine you're a person who loves sleep, okay? Now दिन चल रहा है और तुम्हें अचानक से भरे दिन में 12 बजे नींद आ जाती है दोपहर को, ठीक है, और मैं सोने का डिसीजन लेती हूँ. If my partner is going to say कि ये कोई टाइम होता है सोने का, ये I would flip. I would be like कोई भी टाइम हो सकता है सोने का, मुझे सोना है तो मैं क्यों ना सोऊं. So I feel that protectiveness, and versus a partner who will say if you feel like your body needs sleep, please go and take a nap. It's okay. See how much difference that is going to make. I will be so much in
I'm
love.
your friend. I'm always against you sleeping, so I must be a red flag in friendship then.
She's a red flag I'm
I'm
tolerating.
like, ये क्या टाइम है सोने का? I am the like, नहीं 12 बजे क्यों सोना है? अभी नहीं सोते, फिर रात को कैसे सोएंगे? But
साथी,
there are good intentions behind it. That I want to schedule your routine, but you sleep.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारा इंटेंशन, मुझे नींद चाहिए. मैं क्या करूँ तुम्हारे इंटेंशंस का? तुझे पता है ना कि मैंने क्यों स्ट्रेटेजिकली ये यहाँ पे लेके आया था कि तुझे भी समझ में आ जाए कि जब मुझे सोना, मुझे सोने दो.
But I can't change my toxic traits, guys. I'll still wake her up.
Red
I'm a
flag?
I'm very toxic.
So I feel that's a huge red flag for me. Like, how sleep supportive are you?
How
How sleep
interesting.
supportive is your family? Because if ever I decide to take a random nap, how will they process it and take it? So that is a big red flag for me. So you need to be a sleep supportive person.
Ooh.
So now then, what is next one for
My
you?
red flag would be like, it's okay, no, if in that way, if I'm thinking, and it is a big red flag for me, which a lot of people might agree to, which a lot of people might not agree to, because I'm a person who takes her own sweet time to get ready, and I don't even take that much time to get ready.
Oh,
3
yeah.
hours I'll take to get ready, and then let's say I'm gonna make him wait for 2-3 hours whenever I'm getting ready. And then when I'm coming, and then he's like, if he's rushing me constantly कि अरे जाना है चलना है क्या है तुम्हारा नाटक ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा है हमेशा इतना ही हो रहा है कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है कोई देखता ही नहीं है
ये तो मेरी लाइन मुझ पे क्यों आ रही है?
कौन नहीं देख रहा है and I don't do it for people, I do it for me. Like I feel more confident when I'm like
Ready.
well dressed, ready. And okay, let's say in 2 hours of getting ready, 1 hour this person is just behind me, oh please, we are getting late, this, that. Okay, I understand. I'll also increase the speed. After I come, like when I'm all dolled up and I come out, okay, chalo, निकलना.
Who's gonna तारीफ?
Where is my
तारीफ
validation?
कहाँ गई?
Where is my validation?
Yeah.
He should be like, oh, it's okay. It was worth it.
Yeah.
No, it was worth it. That would be like the biggest.
Yeah, even if you're complaining about it, just
Yeah.
end it with like,
But like, yeah, even if you're complaining and I get, okay, sorry, I'm late. But that if I come out like I'm all dolled up and the person is like, हाँ, चलो निकलना है? मेरे बारे में क्या?
I think that's a very good cheat code men can use from this episode. Even if you hate the fact that your girlfriend is getting ready for longer and if she's spending so much time in getting ready, and you realization हो गई है कि तुमने बहुत उसको टोका टाकी कर दिया, when she comes out, just put like a
Just
दो
say
तीन-
this line. The wait was worth it.
everything will be sorted, no fights.
That is
That's a
true.
good cheat code actually.
Yeah, but you
so-
might not feel this as a
Nah.
because if someone tells you get ready, हाँ कोई बात नहीं बाल बांध लूंगी पजामा पहन लूंगी चल लेंगे and I'm like बाल बांध लूंगी पजामा पहन लूंगी मैं नहीं कर रही like I'm not coming that early.
One thing that I've tolerated in our relationship is also this, that she takes a lot of time to get ready.
And she sleeps a lot.
And then
I've also
so we have balanced it very beautifully. When she gets ready, I sleep. And when it
Yeah.
is last 20-30 minutes, she'll wake me up, I'll get ready, and both of us leave. So both of us are at peace, both of us have gotten what we want, and there's no red flag.
Now we have it's a beige flag.
Common non-neutral ground.
There is red, green,
And beige.
beige. What would be your next red flag?
Oh, I have very related
Which
to this
red
one.
flag number are we on, by the way?
अब तो भूल गए बहुत सारे आ गए.
Okay, it will pop.
Yeah, it'll
You
pop.
all can make notes out of this.
Yeah. So I think this is for me. If it's also something related to what you said. Okay, so it is something on down that lines. I don't take a lot of time in a lot of things in life, but shopping is one thing where I love to take my own
my
sweet
God.
time. Right, and I want to go around. I want to
So
see.
true.
And if a person, if I'm, I'm accompanied by a person who's going to keep on like, jaldi karte hain, हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है, हाँ जल्दी करते हैं, ये ले लो, वो ले लो, then it just gets to me and I'm like, oh my God, can I please have something? Because I am as a shopper, I'm a person who will put like a lot of thoughts into what I'm buying. Will this go with my that? तो मैं एक टॉप उठा के ऐसा नहीं कि ये मेरे पे अच्छा लग रहा है ले लिया. I'll pick up a top and I'll think how many ways I can wear it. Do I have bottoms for this? Do I have skirt for this? Do I have short for this? Do I have a shrug for this? If I were to layer it, do I have something? So I have so many questions to answer in my head, yaar. And I can't have you on my head saying, "Jaldi karo, हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है, ले लो,
Yeah,
इतना क्या
actually, your
सोचना?"
partner being patient in your shopping spree is
It's-
such a red green flag.
Yeah, it's such a love
Such a
language.
love, yeah, and such a great love language because men are not that patient, and he's actually putting that much effort.
Yeah.
That is such a cute point.
And you know what is going to be the greenest green out of this? If he comes and brings options for you that you would like you can try this or you can try this. You remember last
The
time we went
website,
shopping?
yes.
This was such a beautiful incident which I told her also, and I think will be also coming in one of our vlogs if we
Yeah.
ever decide to post it.
No, we will. We did not. We are just not getting time. So what we are gonna add in addition to our podcast is just like general vlogs of our life, so you
Yeah.
can get to know us more.
More on a personal level.
Yeah,
and
which are not very high-end edited.
Yeah.
So these are like normal.
Yeah. So I think that day also we spoke about this. We were shopping, both of us, and she went inside to try her outfits on, and I was waiting outside for her. And I saw this couple where the girl, his wife or partner was inside. She was trying on clothes and he was so patiently waiting outside. There was like no ounce of using phone or fidgety or मेरे को यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ, bore हो रहा है types. He was so patiently waiting. And when the wife walked out, he was so happy to see her and he was like, oh, this is looking nice. But do you think you want to size up? Can I get one for you? And he was so like, he was there to
so
support her.
involved,
So involved
yeah.
in her shopping.
And it's so important for girls, for the man. to be
Exactly, and you
involved,
can see the difference because then the wife was so at relaxed and she was nicely taking her sweet time to try clothes and she was feeling nice. So shopping has to be a very,
Yeah.
relaxing experience. It doesn't have to be very
So
anxiety.
look at me being another red flag in your life. Because me shopping is like,
ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है.
अच्छा. And I'm so very, now I've become, pehle I was still a very calm shopper. Now I'm just like, ki, bulk shopping.
डालो.
And then she's like, trial to करना. I'm like, अरे यार फिर से लाइन में खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा and all that. I don't want to do. Let's see. अगर नहीं है तो दे देंगे किसी को. And she is so much against it. Like, no, what the hell? Try
outfits.
So lazy. And I
Yeah.
just finish my shopping really quick.
See, red flags are red flag is equals to psychology and personality behavior.
Is it?
It's my theory.
Oh, it's a nice theory. Yeah, it could be because
Pick up on the red
my
flags.
next red flag was a person who's not working out. I can never date someone who's not working out and not taking care of himself. Because and it's also like very funny because it's according to my psychology,
Yeah.
right? Because I work out, I like all these wellnessy stuff.
Yeah.
I like to be, just like I have my little routine, my journal.
Your gym, your outfits.
Yeah, my gym, my cute outfits which motivate me to go to the gym. Then and that makes me take care of myself. What happens with that is when I start taking care of myself, then my thoughts are better.
Yeah.
My work is more efficient. My mood is always great. I don't feel like partying a lot. Like all those things change in you. You don't
You
even-
get very natural dopamine.
you
hits,
feel
so-
like eating healthier, cleaner. And with age, it's very important for you to realize that you have to take care of your health because no matter how कितना भी पैसा कमा लो, no matter what amount of money you have in your bank account, if your health deteriorates after a point and all your money is going to repair your health, then what is the use
And
of
what
that
was the
money?
worth of money,
And
yeah.
you're not gonna enjoy your life. Even if you're the richest person, you're not gonna enjoy the life. So better start taking care of yourself.
I think
especially when you're
Anand Ambani
entering-
doesn't think the same way. Anand
personality
Ambani,
trait. What did you say is equal to?
Personal-
Anil Ambani.
Anand Ambani,
Anand.
he though is not taking care of his health, but he's still enjoying his
But he has a
money.
disease. He was slim. I've seen.
Controversial.
But I can marry him.
धोखा.
Radhika was not in the picture. I would have.
That's such a big धोखा. तू 10 सेकंड पहले बोल रही थी कि मैं ऐसे इंसान से शादी नहीं करूंगी जो वर्कआउट नहीं करता.
I mean, if it's Ambani, okay.
देखा,
Done.
पिघल गई ना. पैसों के सामने पूरी दुनिया पिघलती है.
But ऐसा नहीं ना.
पैसों के सामने रेड फ्लैग, ग्रीन फ्लैग.
I will turn it into that. I'll make him work out. I will do all those.
जरूर. जी मैडम. अच्छा, अब मैं समझ गई. पैसों से ना रेड भी ग्रीन हो जाता है क्योंकि पत्तियां हरी दिखने लगती है ना, तब सब कुछ ग्रीन होने लगता है ना.
The only exception is someone who's extremely rich, like Ambani's. Then I don't.
यार देख, ऐसी बात देखो.
नहीं, ऐसी बात है.
प्रीचिंग अलग बात है. ऐसी बात है. मैं भी वही बोलने वाली थी. प्रवचन अपनी जगह बट सच्चाई अपनी जगह. उसके तो सारे रेड फ्लैग माफ है यार. उससे ना पैसा.
Done deal. I'm associated with Ambani, so my last name is Sakshi Ambani.
बस खत्म.
You will also push me. You're like, हाँ, कर ले.
100%. मेरा भी तो फायदा ही होगा.
Me and my all friends rich in one go.
if ever doubt.
I'll give you my money for producing the movie. हाँ, मैं भी करूँ.
साक्षी सच में रेड फ्लैग है, ग्रीन फ्लैग है वो. Go for it. Ambani is.
Yeah. Anyway, so serious talk.
Yeah. Let's go back.
Someone who's not working out will also be someone as a man who doesn't love himself. Because if you love yourself, you will take care of your body. You will not do substance abuse. You will. आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
Zero civic sense. पॉडकास्ट शूट हो रहा है, बात कर रहे हैं, zero civic sense.
Oh God.
इस कंट्री में किसी के पास civic sense
There are
नहीं है.
these
चलो.
new group of guys. Bhai lives like a chawl. Their door is always open. I feel so uncomfortable.
चल.
Anyways, so I feel a guy who doesn't have love for working out or doing anything for himself is not loving himself.
Yeah.
That is a big psychological trait. Then he doesn't love himself. Then if he is not loving himself, he is not taking care of himself. How is he gonna take care of me?
Yeah.
The person who loves himself, is secure in himself, will only shower me with more love.
Yes. If
And
your glass is full, is when you can
and not
pour.
his insecurities. But if the person doesn't know how to take care of himself, if he's not invested in his body, his mind, his mental improvement, mental growth, it's zero value for me. And for
Yeah.
me, as you know me, it has always been a major part of my life, working out. And I feel working out for me is now much more of 90% it's a mental thing.
It
not
is
even
always,
physical
it's
anymore.
always a mental thing.
Initially, when I was young, like 22, 23, super early 20s, for body, but now for mental health. And for the man should be also mental health. And if we both go to the gym, we do our like goals together, it's such a good thing to
Bonding time.
do. Bonding time, like cooking together, or not very much interested in cooking together, but
मैं वही सोच रही, cooking together.
But for couples, it would be nice, right?
Yeah.
Working out together, we
Yeah.
want to walk together, because in this digital world, we've forgotten how to
Personally connect.
connect, and you are busy in your work. Then after work, you're taking social media to unwind and all that. Why? Just unwind with your partner. Just like do a badminton game, or go
Yeah.
for a walk, or go for a workout, or go
Yeah.
to see sunsets, go to
Yeah,
see a
that's
morning
interesting.
sunrise. So that would be a green flag for me. A person who knows how to take care of himself.
The next one for me is somebody who just keeps on talking about themselves.
Oh God, we all have met such men.
Yes,
You are
yes.
so right.
Yeah,
Where
so-
this red flag go? I completely forgot about it.
Yup, like
Full of themselves, man.
full of themselves. Like I hate a person. See, there's again a very thin and blurry line between being confident and being, vocal about who you are versus just be surrounded by yourself and just be so self-centered that you do not, even value the company that you have. So someone, if I am suppose going on a meeting or meeting a new person or going out on a date or, and I'm meeting this person, boy, who at first sounds like, oh, he's so confident, he talks about himself so openly and confidently. But then after 20 minutes into the date, if he's just keeping on, just going on about himself and, this is what I like, this is, and I don't understand when you're talking to a person, just मैं तेरे साथ अभी बात कर रही हूँ, if I'm saying that, this is the thing that I don't like, I will also ask you, the follow-up question is always this, right? What you don't like? Right? Or I'm telling you that, I absolutely love cooking or whatever. And then my follow-up question would be, do you? I mean, in some sort, you try to involve the other person, but you just keep on talking about yourself, jumping from one thing to another, that I love this, I hate this, I tolerate this. Then everything becomes about you. So I just absolutely hate such people who just talks about themselves and nothing else. Like, why would I accompany myself with you if there's no give and take? अब मेरे को तुम्हारे बारे में क्या इंटरेस्ट है मुझे मैं थीसिस लिख रही हूँ तुम पे जो मैं तुम्हारी पूरी जिंदगी की कहानी लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स पता कर लूँ.
I don't think so anyone would be like so obsessive of themselves.
But there are people.
We have met. They are very obsessive, like
Very.
It's just about themselves.
Yeah. And which is another red flag which falls under the same branch that I absolutely hate.
Which one?
When people send you like video messages, like if they're sending you like a video of themselves doing something, but you can clearly see that in the video recording also they're looking at themselves
and not
you.
Video that they are sending you. Oh my god, that is.
And that's so evident, like bro, or whatever. Just if you're so obsessed with yourself that you're sending a video to me talking about something to me, and then you're still looking at yourself. Like on WhatsApp, there is that small screen जो तुम्हारी होती है और बड़ी screen पे जो सामने वाला होता है, और जब तुम उसको छोटा minimize कर दो और अपने आप को बड़ा कर दो.
That's a red flag, man.
Like how obsessed are you? I absolutely hate that.
I recently, I'm having like these experiences, and recently I was talking to this guy, and he would just like send me. It was a workout boy. He is a workout boy, so he would just like send me pictures, and there's no shirt on it, and I'm like, what the hell? Did I ask for it? No. Why are you sending me? I don't know. And then, am I gonna say anything on this? Like, wow, look at those muscles. No. I'm like, oh, hi. What's up with you?
Exactly. What do you say to that kind of person?
These are people around the age of 29, 30, 31. Can you believe that?
Yeah, like at this age,
like
you're just
in college, you're doing it. I understand.
Yeah.
All these are like, oh,
see, 24, 23, tak all of this is valid.
Yeah.
Like, be just in your own energy, be obsessed with yourself, because that is the time when you're figuring out.
And you're trying to impress a girl and you're sending this shirtless pictures. That doesn't work anymore, guys.
It doesn't. I don't know, लड़कों का definition, लड़कों के पास कोई गलत ही book चली गई है on how to impress a girl.
Impress a girl, yeah.
Because ये हमारे तो कहीं पे भी syllabus में नहीं आ रहा है.
This should be the start of it, all the pointers we are giving you. Like, who's interested? But that's so true. Someone who's like super obsessed with themselves.
I just hate it.
I can never.
Like you can be self-obsessed, but just don't be to a limit where you are just ignoring the person next to you. है ना? Just value the company, have a conversation, talk like humans, let's exchange things. Hope, मतलब भगवान की दया से दिमाग दिया है भगवान ने कि हम words में express कर सके. So why to restrict to this?
Yeah, men who are fully obsessed with themselves are not it.
Yeah, I think that's a red flag for me. What's next one for you?
Next red flag for me would be when I am managing someone else's emotions more than I'm managing my emotions in the relationship. Like, I'm constantly worried about, oh my god, what is he thinking? Will he get hyper? Like I don't know the next step that is predictable is coming from his end, and I'm not even caring about my own emotion at this point, where it's like I've forgotten how to take care of my emotions, but I'm only worried and I'm
safeguarding their emotions.
Yeah, just like thinking of their emotions. What are they thinking? How can I make them comfortable? All that is good, but if it's both ways, it's a both way treat, then it's great.
Yeah.
But if it's only you who are thinking of oh shit. Now if I did this, oh my god, he's gonna get angry.
Yeah.
Now how
that's-
am I gonna regulate my thing? Okay, now he's calm, so I can do this. Like,
So if
even
your life completely
dictating-
depends upon their emotions and what they're going to feel next, then it's a problem. And
Yeah.
to be in a relationship where you're 24/7 thinking about their emotions,
their
it's a problem
priorities.
itself.
Yeah, so that would be
That's a very good red flag actually.
yeah, and I've been through that.
And we
So-
ignore that thinking, ki, oh, I have to take care of this person
because
and
I love him, but it's not really love. It's also like he can see what you're doing, he can see what you're going through, so he can also reciprocate, saying that, oh no, you also need to take care of your emotions. What are you feeling and all?
Yeah.
Like, if someone is not asking you, then they are just selflessly being just like, oh, these are my emotions. I feel
Yeah.
like this because of you.
Now that we have discussed all the red flags and green flags that we have personally, what we think, I'm going to throw some random personality traits or general things at you, and then you tell me if that is a red flag for you or not. Okay. So first one from my end is jealousy. Do you think that's a red flag or a green flag?
Jealousy to what?
in a
Red flag.
relationship.
Red flag, but I like the only kind of jealousy I like is if like, oh, I'm looking too good, and then my man is like a little jealous that, oh, everyone will be watching. Like, it's not a
Subtle hints.
yeah. So I like that cute thing. Or if like I'm getting really close to my male colleagues and he's like, but of course it's in a fun way. It's not like he's actually insecure of it because he trusts me. And then sometimes like it might be perceived as different, but I think of it as a safety net because like I love to show my skin a lot. Sometimes it's changing with time, but if my guy will be like, lot of visibility for the public, then I would be like, it's kind of cute for me.
So
'cause
jealousy covered up by like
cuteness,
protectiveness
not that
towards
he's
your
actually being
partner.
psycho that, oh, you have to wear full clothes. No, that's nice and hot for the public to see. That would be like so cute for me because I'm like, oh, he thinks
But that's a very sweet way of being.
of me and my body will be
But-
his and all that.
But that's a very cute way of like portraying your protectiveness covered up with like a compliment for you itself.
Yeah.
Like, you
That
know-
is true. Yeah, and then you only feel good about yourself. Like,
Yeah.
what can I say?
That kind of jealousy makes you like feel wanted in a
Yeah.
relationship. Like,
Yes.
oh, he cares, like who I talk to, how much time I spend.
Yeah.
Again, yeah, for me also it's the same. If jealousy comes in like these small instances and it's in a protective way, like, oh, I saw you talking to him for long, you're enjoying his company, and then he
Yeah.
wants you to take you and your time for himself. But if that lingers on for the second day, third day, and if he
Yeah.
keeps on bringing that in like fights, that you to speak to a lot of people and spend time with, then it's a problem. Like, oh, then you are affected by it. But if it is
100%.
coming in the same moment and it's just, portray in a very beautiful, loving, protective way, then it's
Yeah.
good. So
For you, yes or no? Oh, but I have
It-
my questions. Oh, you can just ask your question.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I know jealousy for me, like again, as you said, that if it is coming from a perspective of like little protectiveness and like little pulling each other's leg here and there, then that's
that's
beautiful.
okay.
That's
Yeah.
secure jealousy, which is loved. But on the other hand, if you're actually like taking notes of who I talk to, how much I talk to, and then bring it up in conversations in the second day, or taunting here and there me on that, then I feel that it's red.
Then it's definitely
Yeah.
because then you don't trust your girl.
Yeah.
If someone disappears during conflict, is that a red flag?
100% it's a red flag. Like if a conflict is going on and you're disappearing from the conflict, that means you don't want to discuss it, or you don't want to mend things with me. That's a red flag. Then you don't need me in that relationship, whatever that relationship is. Of course it's a red flag.
But what if that person is trying to take their space?
Then you can inform me. Then you can just let me know that
It is
I'm
very
not.
person to person.
It's a very person to person thing, but I'm a person who cannot have like one-on-one conflict. I take my time. I'm a person, if I'm affected by something, you will know on my face कि मुझे बुरा लगा है, but I will
And you
still
take your time.
I will take my
But
time
you
to
are
process
the one
it.
who does that.
I do that? Shut up.
You are the one, like if there's a heated argument, this is not about friendship. Like in general, also you are like that. There's a heated argument, and then something goes on. She's like, I need space, and then she will.
But
be
then I'll tell you that I need space.
that you'll tell me.
I will not vanish from your life.
But I cannot take it. I'm like, nahi, but क्यों? नहीं but मेरे को तो आना है. Then I feel more anxious. I feel it's like I have anxious attachment style and you have avoidant attachment style.
Yes, I think my defense mechanism is to avoid it for a while, process it
Yeah.
in my head, and then come back to that topic and solve it out. But for you, it is that let's
It's more
just
like
finish it right now and then go
for
back.
me it would be a red flag. I'm like, oh, where are you going, bro?
So that I think brings us to the end of this rapid
Wow,
fire.
it was such a nice episode, such relaxing, and I was a little bit not prepared.
We still have one more segment to finish,
Okay.
which is accepting our own red flags. Let's not reflect outside only. Let's also reflect inside. And after a lot of thorough assessment of myself, I have come to the conclusion of accepting these two red flags in me, which I genuinely want to turn into green, but can't seem to. The one first I have, which I believe that is a red flag of me, is that I have a very hyper badi didi syndrome. Like if we are
Very
going
much.
and I have this problem.
Very much so.
Yeah, and I accept to it because I have seen patterns in me. Like if we are going out for like say a vacation or a staycation or whatever, the next day if we have to leave at like 10, I would start panicking and making everybody go panic and start putting pressure on everyone that get ready, we have to leave. And if even if it's like 10 or 20 minutes ka delay, I keep on like cribbing, like you guys
And
cannot
the
get
worst
ready.
part is you're not even gonna do this. So there's a group of
Sorry.
friends who has gone to staycation.
Sorry. Red flag.
So let's say there is a group of our friends, we have gone to a staycation. She will not yell at the other people. She will come start yelling at me, and she is pushing someone who will never be. Not just like, oh हाँ बाल बांध लिए चलो अभी जाते हैं. You're coming to the wrong person. She's not saying anything else to these other people. She's just coming and yelling at me, and by this time I've taken a shower, I have chosen my clothes, I'm just getting ready, and other people are still sleeping on bed, but she's still just yelling at me.
Because another red flag about me is that I can only control the people I love. I can't exercise my control over people I don't.
Such
I don't
funny
feel will
red flag.
listen to me. I know I can only control the people I love. So
I
even
don't
if,
mind it though.
and you know what happens, and this is also another red flag in me, that I tend to, if I'm getting angry, suppose I've gone out with her and two other people, okay, and she's, of course, she's my best friend, she's my person, and the two other people are also my friends. But if they do something which makes me angry, I will never communicate that anger towards them. I would divert it towards her.
Yeah.
And then I would start complaining to Sakshi, and I would start, "तू जल्दी क्यों नहीं ready हो रही है?" हो सकता है she's already ready and those people are not getting ready, but that is my way of yelling at her so that it can be
Funny.
transferred to them.
So how is it going on a man's level?
That's not working clearly. Because it doesn't go via, it comes back to me.
That is true.
So that's a red flag in me.
But you know what's the green flag in this situation?
What?
Because I'm a very girly. I'll be like, मुझे तो बात ही नहीं करनी है, and I'll start like I'll have tears in my eyes if she like even the volume increases this much.
She's gone.
It's finished for her. I'm like, what? And then I'll sit like in the sadness
And then-
with tears, and I'm like, how can you talk to me like this? For me, number one thing is, green flag for me would be the way you talk to me. Your words matter.
Yeah.
You can say the most disgusting thing, but if you are saying it in love language, I will take it. She will be like, Sakshi, दिमाग होता है तो थोड़ा तो यूज कर दिया कर. I will take it nicely, but he's like, दिमाग नहीं है, यूज नहीं करते आते. I'm like,
So it's the tonality is the problem. The context and the meaning is not the problem.
yeah. So then she comes and then she'll be like, अच्छा, okay.
And I have navigated it perfectly.
And
Like I
she's
know.
like, she's literally like the husband energy in this relationship, and she'll be like, okay, तो तुझे कुछ खाना है क्या? I'm like, खा सकते हैं, कुछ तो खा सकते हैं.
I know how to.
That's a green flag after
Yeah.
your red flag.
Yeah, when I know that okay, I've made a mistake, I would come and I would make sure that I navigate through her emotions and make her come back to.
You've gotten the tonality part, but I completely forgot to say this in the first round of
But
when
it
we were
came
saying. But the tonality is very important for me. It's the way you talk to me. You must be having the most worst fight in the world, but if your tone is not right with me, if your words are not right with me, it's over. If by any chance, like even in, let's say, one fight, I will give it, ठीक है चलो, I
Leave it,
understand.
yeah.
Second fight में if he uses bad words towards me or something which really hurts me from a tonality and words perspective, it's over for me.
Yeah.
Words are very, very important.
I think you are.
I'm a very affirmative person anyways, so I like people who are soft spoken. And as Alia Bhatt has recently realized, it's important to be kind even when you're angry.
Yeah.
And I love that. That's how Ranveer.
And how Ranbir Kapoor is the one who's taught us this.
It's always important to be kind even when you're angry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He is kind though. Ranbir Kapoor is kind.
That so you must know, Miss Animal.
No, he's a kind soul.
Well,
Okay, so the next one, oh no, you have to ask me. You have to give me, no,
What do I
ask? You have to give me one red flag of yours.
okay. I have to say red flag.
Yeah.
Shits, what is my red flag?
You have to think so much.
Oh yes, my red flag in relationships would be my trauma.
No, your red flag. What
Yes.
are you red flagging?
I'm talking about myself.
Okay.
It would be when I'm bringing the trauma of my past relationships and my childhood into this new relationship. And it is, and I have noticed this about myself, and it's such a red flag. My recent experiences have been kind enough for me to
realize.
understand me, and one of the guy I was with actually made me realize, you know what you're exactly doing. You're bringing your past relationship traumas in this relationship, and it's
Yes.
hampering us because we don't even have that problem. I don't even think that way. Now my coping mechanism have become like, be ready for the worst.
Yeah. So
This
you,
person can love you very much, but he can flip his switch anytime. But it's not true with all the guys. Like that is what I know. But now what I do is the most wrongest thing that I can do is bringing that relationship trauma into this, and then
Judging that person for-
judging that person in the way that I never judged the past, but
Now.
judging it in the basis of how the outcomes came to me.
Yeah.
And also growing up with my family, I did not really have much stronger father figure, etc. So even that carries forward in my next relationship, and I did not realize it until I was like dating this guy. Was really nice to me, and he was telling me that, you know what you're doing actually is these relationships you're bringing from
Yeah.
sis to our relationship, which thank God I realized
You
it.
realized.
But then why wouldn't he told me in a very kind way, and I understood it. So I'm like, I could be a red flag in that way.
yeah. So it is basically carrying
Yeah,
forward
and
your
it's my
traumas.
expectation that he should understand why I'm like this, but it's not. It's
Yeah.
my trauma. I have to work on it, and I have to navigate
Right.
the situation in that way. But my expectation is also like, why is he not understanding? He knows everything about my past. So it's really childish, and I'm working on it. So when I work on it fully and I'm ready,
I'll be out in the market looking at all of you.
I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you guys my next dating experiences. I'll give you a sneak peek.
So for me, another red flag about me that I've realized lately, and you have been a biggest factor in making me realize this, is that I get too personal with arguments and debates. Like, you know,
Yeah.
it's a problem that I have since childhood. Yeah, I've been trained like that since school time, that I've always been like, I want to put my point across. Like, no matter how loud I have to
Debate
get for
girl.
that, or how, you know, overly willing I have to get for that. But I do sometimes take it too personally, debates and arguments, which is also a thing my partner has also made me realize, and you have also made me realize that, you know, you can have arguments around say, you don't have to put your heart, soul and everything into it and have
Yeah.
to get to a verdict which is in your favor.
You're very strong opinionated about religion and country.
A lot of things, politics,
So
lot of
religion
things.
and country.
No, a lot of things. But yes.
Well, I don't care that much. The
Yeah,
reason
no, I
why we have a good relationship is because I don't know much
There's
about
a-
these things, and she keeps on telling me, I'm like, whatever she says, whatever she
Whatever.
says. That's like, I don't have my own point, so it's very easy for
Yin and
one
yang.
team.
Yeah.
So what? I'm like, and I just listen. Even when you get passionate, I don't mind you being passionate.
But you don't mind, but the other people I'm having an argument with
Because now
do
I
mind.
know you. That's why initially when you were like that in college, I'm like, baap re bhai.
Itna bhi kya?
This girl
But I
is
feel
mad.
like it's also comes from a passion perspective. But I can understand that not everybody is that passionate, and not argument ever is always to win. Like
you
you
are
can
very
also
passionate
settle
about
down.
food too. One of our college friends, it was very funny incident. He was like, अरे वो मानसी मारवाड़ी खाने के बारे में मेरे को बता रही है. This dude is properly from Rajasthan. He knows his culture in and out. He is born and brought up in Rajasthan. Moved to
Yes.
Bombay. Like a Rajasthani family. And then she's teaching him.
And I'm
मुझे
fighting.
पता ही क्या है राजस्थान खाने के बारे में, मैं बताती हूँ. And this guy is Haryani and he's like coming to me. He's like, bro, what's up with her? She's teaching me about my culture.
I had that problem. Know-it-all problem growing up.
Yeah, the know-it-all.
But now I have some.
Now you have changed a lot.
I was know-it-all till like college time, where I used to be like, मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है. But then I understood, oh, this is such a pick-me kind of a
Yeah.
trait. Let's not carry forward
Yeah.
it. But I realized I changed myself, and I'm happy.
Yeah,
here.
you have.
But I am still long way to go to not take every argument
Unless and
very
until it's
personally.
not coming on me, I'm good with that. I'm like, okay, it's coming on other people, great, I'll be your team. If it comes on me, then it's just time for me to shed a tear and she'll be like,
Sorry. What's the other one?
Recently, the other red flag that I have would be
ग्रीन कपड़े क्या पहन लिए, इसको लग रहा है ये सच में ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट है, इसमें कुछ गलत ही नहीं है.
my next red flag would be having assumptions of what this person is thinking when he is not thinking that. And it's also being carried from my past that I'm like, oh, he must be thinking that, that's why he's doing that. So there's a whole
that's-
story going on in my head.
No, that's a
And
red
I
flag.
don't, if like things go really bad, I don't confront it. The story is still going on in my head. I've already made a conclusion. I've already reached to a result, and I'm like, this is how it is now. This is my next step to just like back off from this thing. But maybe those assumptions are not
Wrong.
right at all.
Yeah. What
Maybe
if the
this-
other person is thinking something else altogether?
Yeah. So
No. So going into
that would be
going into,
assumptions would be my next red flag.
yeah, going into any relationship with pre-assumptions is sort of a bad thing. But ठीक है, you can work on it. It's not
Yeah.
such a deal breaker.
But even if I'm in a relationship, I'll still assume what he's thinking.
But I
According
think
to
that.
the patterns. That
But if
he
you
is-
have selected a nice partner for yourself who understands you, he would understand that pattern and he would counter it
Yeah.
with his. He would make you feel like secure.
But then what it turns into is also like constant reassurance, which guys don't really like, and it shouldn't be the case.
Guys don't like 100 things about women. What to do?
No, but like constant reassurance is something I think is good, but not like, oh, every day I'm asking the same thing would be red flag and I'm working
Yes.
on it. But I need that constant reassurance to make me feel safe. But I
But
don't
I think you'll find somebody who will keep you constantly
Yeah,
assuring.
maybe.
Like if see again, if we are in love with someone, we are willing to do things that we don't do usually, and we put those efforts, and that's what makes at the end makes
Yeah.
us a person, human being with multiple
That
red
is
flags, but still being a green forest standing.
Yeah.
Like if you're willing to change those for the people you love, then you're not a red flag anymore.
Yeah,
Then
that is
all
true.
of that becomes green.
But do you remember?
Wow, Pravachan by Mansi Devi.
Well, but you guys, we want to share a story of the recent red flag movie that we have seen.
Which one?
Okay, guys, so this is our last segment, and as you know, last podcast we introduced the real segment, but this podcast will be a different segment. We are gonna review green flags which were portrayed as green flags character in Bollywood, but are actually red flags.
Yeah, I had
And also red flag movies.
red flag movies. The movie is a red flag. उसका नाम ही red flag होना चाहिए.
हाँ, मतलब we are gonna review. Let's
Yeah.
see. So which character is that for you जो दिखा green flag but है red flag?
जो हमें आज तक भी green flag रखता है, but मुझे उसकी line नहीं समझ में आई. वो है थोड़ा सा red flag. I think it can be very controversial. People will agree. People might not agree. But now that I've seen the movie 100 times, I can clearly say he was somewhere a red flag. Is the character of Abhay Deol from जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
What? How?
Yes, he is. See, you have
He
to see
was
the
such a
patterns.
cutie.
Exactly. I love Abhay Deol. He has done what a fantastic work in that film. That film
That's-
is beautiful, but his character, okay? Imagine you are getting into a wedding without even being assured yourself that if you want to marry this girl or not. You did everything just to not explain or not to have that argument at that point. कितना आसान होता if you could have just had the argument with Kalki and then finished it off there itself. और ना इन सब तमाशे की जरूरत पड़ती, ना आपको इतनी पूरी realization की जरूरत पड़ती. A being that you were not honest. Okay, you didn't want to propose. Why did you propose in the first go? You should have said no. So you have given expectations and hope to that girl that he thinks of me as a soulmate. A. B. You have gone on a bachelorette trip with your guy friends. Okay, your girl walks in. I know she was a red flag. Nobody is denying that. To go bachelor's trip, why you want to end up? But if you have gone a bachelor's trip with your boy, of course you have instincts. You think about कि हाँ लड़के सब कुछ, they're gonna go out and do things and stuff. Now if she has come there and she sees you walking in with a girl lifting her up in your arms, what is the first thought you'll have? Don't tell me any girlfriend will say, "Oh, so sweet. He might just be joking with his friends." Of course, the first thought will be, "He's cheating on me.
Mine
Is
too.
he on bachelors? Is he going for
Because we were
this?"
seeing the story from that side.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We never saw her from her perspective. If I see my fiance lifting a girl and coming in Spain and lifting her and then spinning her around, my first thought will not be, हाँ दोस्त हो सकती है. मेरा भी first thought यही होगा कि what? So
Yeah.
I think Kalki was bred, but she was not extremely red, and Abhay has given false expectations to her, then broken up the false expectations, and then took so much time to even like come up to his own mind and explain it to Kalki. So, and he didn't assure her at all in the film.
Yeah.
He could have just assured her that no, she's a friend. Make your fiance meet the girl and then normalize it. But communication gap था थोड़ा अभय का ना, तो red flag था वो.
That is true. That is true. In female characters,
Female में I don't have as such. मतलब there might be plenty, but this is something
Okay.
that comes in the top of my
do
head.
you want to know mine?
And what's yours?
It would be Shah Rukh Khan from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Really?
Yeah, because it's like, oh, he used to do everything with his best friend Anjali, and then the whole college is talking about them, and of course, you know, they're denying it, but he also knew somewhere what he was doing, and then this beautiful girl walks in.
Yeah, like you can't be this nonchalant कि तुम्हें ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि जो तुम्हारी best friend है उसको तुम्हारे लिए feelings आने
feelings
लगी
ही
हैं.
नहीं है,
how come?
आ गए, and then you don't know, and like she's also like trying to be like Rani Mukherjee. She's starting to wear all those clothes.
And how come you've not noticed?
And
that?
you have not noticed, and तुम सारी चीजें तो उसी से करा रहे हो. She was like his go-to person for everything. He used to make her work, practice basketball with. She used to do his assignments, every single
Yeah.
thing. But when like Rani Mukherjee came, and then he also made Kajol feel really bad when she dressed up and like she put on lipstick. She tried to feel really beautiful in that scene.
Yeah.
But he made fun of her, was such a big red flag. And even as a best friend, if
Best
she's-
friend, it was such a big red flag.
Yeah.
But Kajol was also stupid. Why did she let him walk so easily over him all
yeah,
over
I
him?
mean, girls in love, you know, especially in that era. And then, okay, in all this time, everyone is realizing they have love for each other, but Shah Rukh Khan is not realizing he has love for
Until
her.
he reads the letter and goes to
Yeah.
No, until his daughter makes him go to
until
the
like she's like, अरे मुझे छोड़ के जा रही हो, mid semester छोड़ के जा रही हो. What do you mean mid semester छोड़ के जा रही हो? It's her dad. Like you are not even concerned about the
Her
dad's
problems.
health or whatever. He was just concerned about what he was thinking about.
Oh,
He's like, अरे मेरा क्या होगा अभी and all that. Remember?
he was such a big red flag in relationship and in friendship.
Yes. अब मेरा क्या होगा, अब मैं क्या करूँगा and all that. And then उसके बाद when she gets a letter and Rani Mukherjee is dead, and then
Now she's transformed
Now
into this
she's-
diva.
woman, and now he's like, oh my god.
Yeah.
So it's such a materialistic view in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai of seeing girls ki, oh, now once she's beautiful, then he will marry her.
But you know who was the green flag in all of this?
Rani.
Salman
Oh,
Khan,
yes.
dude.
He was such
What a
cute-
character
Yeah,
that was.
yeah,
like
yeah.
to understand that your girl is in love with somebody and still not to make her feel like, you know, he's
Yeah.
been betrayed or he's the one who's. he asked her, he made her sure of what her choice is, and then he let her go so beautifully.
Yeah.
So I think
True definition.
Salman was the true definition of green forest in that
Green
film, and
forest,
everything else
yeah.
was like blurred red.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah,
Well,
interesting. And the film, oh
I think we
god,
both have a very similar perspective on one film that is a red
and that
flag
we watched
film.
recently.
We watched recently.
Why?
It's Tere Ishq Mein, like, what the hell, bro?
Why?
What the hell?
That whole film is a red flag.
And
The
they are also
characters.
saying it's from the world of Ranjana, but
Ranjana was balanced.
was, for me, I felt it was such a beautiful film.
Ranjana was cult. Like it's.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened with Tere Ishq Mein, but the toxic love concept went too far, and both सब logics blur हो गए, सब
Therapist के boundaries
blur हो गए.
Like,
How can
what
you?
kind of a therapist is this, man? What kind of a therapist is this? Like, who has no self-awareness, no tools, nothing. She's not using anything to make her feel better, and she realizes it when he leaves. Like, she could have gone back, and she would be like, "Oh, I love you."
And सबसे बड़ा तो ये था कि मतलब as human also, like if somebody is telling you that their parents have passed and they're going through this trauma, you as a stranger also you would stand there and hold their hand and
Yeah.
listen to them and not run like a madly and crazily in love.
To meet a friend, not even a boyfriend.
How?
She ran to meet a friend. Like, oh, this.
इतना प्यार क्यों बढ़ रहा था यार? इतना she's ran in the rain like oh my god, as if who she's met.
Exactly.
And she's completely not the problem with this boy. that she is so willing to help. He's sharing his trauma finally, and you being a psychology student, you should be the first one to understand and know how to go about it. You have ignored it and ran to your friend, and then oh my god, what was
That is
happening
true.
in that film?
And also, like, even like the end part of it was like, oh, मेरा बच्चा है, अब तुम संभाल लो. What the hell? And he's like, नहीं, but तुमने तो शादी
No,
तोड़
what
दी
is
थी.
this entitlement?
नहीं, but फिर शादी वापस कर ली, cause like what nonsense. And then finally when the guy finds his purpose after his dad is dead, he's trying to be in like Indian Army, he's still trying to forget love.
Yeah.
And actually, like in the whole movie, it doesn't even look like he's ready to give it back to her love. She's just like paper sign kar, paper sign kar, paper sign kar.
Yes.
In everything, like she's dying and he's like paper sign kar. And he's like, his purpose is so much bigger than that. And he's like, अच्छा ठीक है, तो बच्चा किसका है? जस्सी का ना. हाँ ठीक है, अगर मैं नहीं आऊं तो मैं मर गया तो वो तो आ ही जाएगा. It's like,
What logic? What logic
तो मैं
is
मर
that?
जाता हूँ, जस्सी को भेज देता हूँ. तेरा ही बच्चा है.
The movie was brain rot movie, like nothing, no sense, no logic.
Kriti Sanon doing this, Dhanush doing this. Like,
Yeah.
were they not into
ठीक
it?
है.
Then it was like and make.
I don't know if there
But yeah,
might be
it is-
people who it works for, but
It is very disappointing.
Oh,
And from the
so
world of the only good part in that movie was the actor. What is his name?
Zishan to come and then
Zishan, when he came, and then that
The speech.
just that one part, that speech was so powerful.
yeah,
The acting, everything. I think that was the favorite part of my movie.
100% for me too. Otherwise, the film
Yeah.
was a complete like scratch your head and
Yeah.
take your hair out kind of a film.
Yeah.
No logic.
Well.
Well,
So another lovely episode and so many
Ends.
conversations. Did I get
yes,
that
episode
right?
number 6, starting from red flags, turning ourselves into the green forest that we are, and discussed a lot. Again, had our own opinions on what is red flag and what is green flag.
And you guys now also have certain kind of list of red flags and green flags, what they are, and I think we have
Yeah.
done good justice to what we have spoken about.
And before saying anything, let's not forget the part which we always forget to ask you to like, share, and subscribe.
We are on Spotify, we are on YouTube, and we are on Instagram. Very soon we'll also be on Apple.
Yeah, so follow us everywhere and follow the page and keep tuned in
Please
tune with us.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Otherwise, अभिषेक कैमरा के पीछे से हमें गालियां देगा. एक चीज है जो तुमसे बोली नहीं चाहती, आ गए तुम्हारे
every time we miss it.
Okay, on that note,
Well,
let's call it an episode, and she is
always
she is
always
right.
बना के heart.
बन गया.